In this video, we'll guide you through how to download and install ChatGPT on your Windows computer. First, open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking the search bar at the bottom of your screen and typing Microsoft Store. Then open the app. Once inside the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar at the top and type ChatGPT. You'll see the official app appear in the results. Click on it. Next, click the Get button. The download will start and should only take a few moments. Once installed, click Open to launch the app. If you already have an OpenAI account, you can log in now. If not, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, you'll see a simple interface where you can start chatting right away. You'll also be given the option to enable a shortcut using Alt-Space to launch ChatGPT quickly. You can choose to enable it or skip for now. That's it. You're now ready to start using ChatGPT directly from your desktop. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech walkthroughs.